Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and studying very well at home. Okay students, now we are discussing or starting our lecture from step by step English grammar level 5, lesson number 9, verbs. Here we are discussing auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are known as helping verbs that help the main verbs in the tenses. Okay, auxiliary verbs are used to assist verbs. Was, it, will, were, am, are also known as to be verbs. At times, one verb is not enough to help a sentence work. We need additional verbs. Such helping verbs are called auxiliary verbs. Some auxiliary verbs are is, was, were, am, are, will, has, have, had, must, should, would, could, might. These are all called auxiliary verbs. For example, he dash standing near the door. Here in this sentence, was is auxiliary verb in past tense. He is telling a story. In this sentence, is called an auxiliary verb in present tense. He'll teach a new lesson tomorrow. Here in this sentence, will is the auxiliary verb in future tense. Okay, let's start. Let's understand. Copy the following sentence in your notebook. Underline the auxiliary verbs in each sentence. We have to understand or underline the auxiliary verbs in these sentences. She dash, she has gone out. In this sentence, she has is an auxiliary verb. We have to underline it. Next, they have arranged a party. In this sentence, have is an auxiliary verb. We have to underline it. Next, I had seen this movie last year. In this sentence, had is an auxiliary verb. Next, little children should listen to their elders. In this sentence, should is an auxiliary verb. Okay students, I hope you are understanding what is an auxiliary verb. Fill in auxiliary verbs in each sentence given below. Kathy dash feeling unwell today. Today tells us the action is going in present time. So here we will put is. Kathy is feeling unwell today. I dash learn the poem for tomorrow's recitation contest. Tomorrow's recitation contest tells us the action should be performing on next day. So we will put it shall. The dash waiting at the bus stop. Sorry, they dash. They were waiting at the bus stop. He dash go to the Bangkok tomorrow. He has to go to Bangkok tomorrow. Okay students, next, change the right option from the choices given in the following sentences. Wild daisies. Daisies are plural noun, so we will put plural helping verb. Are growing in abundance in the meadows. Point 2. These days I was learning or I am learning to drive a motor car. These days tells us the action is going on. So I am learning. Rover has worked or had worked in the circus for more than 10 years now. Rover had worked in the circus for 10 years now. 10 years tells us the action had been performed. Natalia is playing or was playing cricket when she hurt her knee. Was playing because her knee has been hurt due to playing cricket. Point 5. We are hoping or are hoped to finish this work by 6 o'clock today. We are hoping. Okay, students? Copy these sentences in your notebook. Change them from present tense to past tense by changing the two auxiliary verbs. We have to convert present tense to past tense. Okay, students? I am wondering. Am was wondering that I was going to do when I grown up. We are has been converted to were. Walking down to the market, and then we were deciding which place to go for dinner. Ali Baba is converted to was. Wondering what he is converted to was. Going to do with the money, he is converted to was. Talking from the hideout of the thieves. Okay, students, Ali Baba was wondering what he was going to do with the money he was taking from the hideout of the thieves. Emily was wondering that what she is converted to was going to do with the old doll. Emily was wondering what she was going to do with the old doll. They are converted to were. Wondering what they are converted to were. Going to experience on the cruise. They were wondering what they were going to experience on the cruise. Okay, students? In the following sentences, change the present tense of the verbs into future tense by changing both the auxiliary verb and the main verb. One is done for you. He was planning a party after the meeting. He will plan a party after the meeting. She was watching a cricket match on television. She will watch a cricket match on television. Third, they were decorating the hall for the party. They will decorate the hall for the party. I was looking after my ailing mother. I will look after my ailing mother. Okay, students, I hope you are understanding what I want to understand to you. Okay, students, page number 32, extended exercise. Read the passage below. Rewrite it in your notebook in the past tense. Students, this story is in present tense. You have to convert it in past tense. Look out for auxiliary verbs and change them into past tense. This story you have to fill at your own. If you want to help, you will question me in comment box. I will answer your question. Okay, students? Allah Hafiz.